Oh, he's out. He's right. Here comes number 114, Jaden Taylor. Oh, yes. There's a lot. There's not much traction there. Oh, that's another one. The bang bus is struggling. Alright. Okay, Edward, they're moving along. Oh, number 371. Oh, look out. Oh, there's another one. Oh. There's a lot of mud flowing around here. Right up there, covered in mud. Number 9, the big dude's got a line up. There he goes. Got him. Oh, 371. Oh, yeah. And number... Oh, that. Go. Go, Jaden Taylor. Jaden. Oh, I think it's good night for Jaden Taylor, 114. He'd almost put himself out of action. Oh, there's a bit of trouble up here. We've got the bang buses. Bob, look out. Bang. Here comes C&D. Truck repairs. Oh, look at that. Uh-oh. The back is stuck. There's a two. Got him. Oh, there you go. There goes the radiator. Here comes Swanee. The little Marina's still going. 371. 67 the Marina. He's just got to keep out of that truck. Here comes 05 C&D truck repairs. He's coming in and got him. Oh, yes, lovely. Now, get out of there. Jaden Taylor's trying his hardest to get out of there. He's almost wrecked his own car. The little Marina's still going. Number 9, Mitchell Swan's still going. Oh, he just hit. Oh, too many revs. Slow it down.
Whoa! Whoa!
No, there's a few still running, but they're stuck. Oh, number 05, he's just moving. Maybe she goes better in reverse. Oh, the Tarago's out.
Tarago's going.
The Tarago's out. He's out of the run. Oh, I don't know how they're going to repair this field. That's a bit of a mess. There's Jaden Taylor still stuck. I think he's gone. The bang bus. Yeah, the bang bus has got him. Don't need to bang him harder than that. Oh, now look out. Oh, yes. Oh, I like that. That Magna wagon's going pretty well. Oh, here we go, the Barina. Clean him up. Oh, look at the Tarago coming in. Bang, got him. Geez, we've still got 4 cars going, 4 cars still mobile, the others are bogged or wrecked. 371 car number 9, Mitchell Swan. Stop.
Good.
Car number 20 still moving. 05's throwing it hard in the mud there. I think he's done. The action's all up the other end. Holy shit. That looks good. Can't you? It's working. I can't hear it. Number 05, still out, still bogged. Durago's going and the Falcon Ute's still going. We've got 3 up this end still running and 1 down the other end. We've just got to make it. There you go, that's good. And another one. Oh, somebody just popped. The bang bus is still going. 371 and number 9. The others have just about had it. Oh, number 20, if he can get up here, he can do some more damage. Come on, big fella.
Oh, he comes. Look at
Here
him.
he comes.
Out of nowhere.
It's a bit boggy out there. All right. Oh, yes. Number 20 struggling. The yellow ute's going well. So is the bang bus. They're back to back. That's good. And got him. Look at that. Oh, the ute's a bit hot. Oh, the ute's got a bit hot there. She's still going. There's 3 still in it. Righto. Line him up. Oh. 05 still trying. But I think he's done. Righto. It's out of 371. The Tarago 67 bang bus and the Falcon Ute number 9. Oh, that's a good one. And go the bang bus. Oh, okay. Get him, Swanee.
Uh-oh.
Here we go. If
Gotta
he
line
can
him
get
up.
enough revs up, we'll get him. Oh, I should have got the Tarago. They're all still going well, despite being red hot. Falcon can't last much longer with no water in it. The Magna's also out of water. The only one that's got out of left intact is the bang bus, I think. Here we go. Here we go. Back to back. Righto. Cat and mouse. Oh, they're all excited. Righto, here comes the big Falcon. Got him. It's the Tarago, you should be driving backwards.
Can you only hit him backwards?
Yeah, until there's only 2 cars left.
Okay, boys, you can go head to head now. It's head on. That's
Oh,
it.
there we go.
Good work. You can go frontwards and hit with the front of your car. Or you can still use the back if you want, just like as demonstrated there. Use the front. Use the front. All right, I love a good head on. Right, put you in the back. You want to go backwards. Oh, he's got him. No. Oh, yeah, there you go, mate. That's a good shot. Number 9 might have stopped there. Oh, you're going to get covered in mud here. Okay, number 9 looks like he stopped. 2 still in it. Bang Bus and 371. I think it's the Magna wagon. I think it's the Magna. I think the youth got too hot. Come on, boys, drive frontwards, use the front, don't be scared. Ooh. There's the Bang Bus delivering another hit. Oh, and still he moves away. Okay, we've got 2 left. Come on, boys, use the front. Head to head, head on. Oh, the Bang Bus has stopped.
Nope. Go.
Oh, I think it might be a bit late for number 05. Lucky he's got his rain cap on that he can put. Okay. Go back and have another go. Righto, let's look at this. Go, go, go! Number 371. It's a bit slippery there. Come on, keep it going. Yay, and again, his flag's still up, he's still in it. His flag's still up, he's still in. Your flag's still up. Uh-oh. Bang buses, bang. I think we're done. That it? All right, looks like it's the Bang Bus.
Yes.
Bang Bus wins.
Oh, you've got to go on again. Yes. Oh, look out for the safety car. Don't get run over by the safety car. All right, that looks like we got first place. Looks like it's first place to Shannon Curry in the Tarago Bang Bus. Second, number 371, it's Sean, what's your surname, Sean? Warren. Good work. And in all the excitement, I forgot, I think it's Mitchell Swan in third, is that right? Mitchell Swan in number 9, third place.